السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. Chapter Statistics in Two Variables Part 1. At the end of this video, students will be able to recognize the distribution of two variables of a population, use the calculator to find the means x bar and y bar, the linear coefficient of correlation, and the slope and y-intercept of the line of regression of a set of data. Determine the means and center of a gravity mean point of a statistical data using the calculator. Represent graphically a set of data in two variables by a scatter plot. Define the linear coefficient of correlation R. Find it using the calculator and interpret its result. Definition 1. The distribution in two variables is a set defined on the same population of the two variables x and y, such that every pair xi, yi is defined for each member in the population. Examples about distribution in two variables are: the price of a laptop during 7 years. Logically, there is a strong relationship between the price of the laptop x and the years y because the price should minimize with time. So here in this example, we can consider that we have two variables. The first one is the price of a laptop and the second one is the year. The mid-year grades in economic and philosophy of 20 students in the class of socioeconomics. Logically here, there is no relationship between the economics grade x and philosophy grade y. In this chapter, we must use the calculator to determine some numbers that are deeply related to the concept. So in example 1, we use the calculator to determine x bar, y bar, r, a, and b for the set of data given below. We have the following table. Okay, starting by using this calculator, we go to mode 3 to go to the statistical mode, and we start by entering the data of the variable x. 1, 2, 5, 7, 10, and 12. Then we complete by entering the variable y and all its modalities. So 2.3 and 4.7, 9.2, 13.8, and 21 and 24.7. Now we press AC, then Shift, then 1, and we go to 5. Here we have the three numbers A, B, and R. To find A, we press 1. This is the value of A. To find B, we press Shift, 1, 5, 2, and this one is the value of B. And to find R, we press Shift, 1, 5, 3. We find the value of R. We complete to find x bar and y bar. Okay, Shift, 1, 4, 2 and 5 are x bar and y bar. So here we have all the following numbers. Okay, x bar, y bar, r, a, and b. So we can repeat here how to use the steps of the calculator to determine the following values. It is an application one, please read it, okay, and follow the instructions to use the calculator to find the following numbers x bar, y bar, r, a, and b. Please pause your video, then check your answers if they are correct, so you know how to use the calculator. If not, please repeat the watching of the video or the slide before to complete by this one. So x bar is equal to this number and y bar, r, a, and b. Remark here that r is a negative value. Part B also we have the following table. Please pause your video and try to enter the following data in the calculator and to find x bar, y bar, r, a, and b. Check your results. In example 2, the results of a survey about the number of Facebook members in millions during the last 6 years is shown in the following table. We put here the rank of each year. So if we start by the year 2014, we'll put for this year number 1. If we end by the year 2019, we put a rank 6. The number of members in millions, that means in year 2014 we have 3 million members, Facebook members. In year 2019 we have 22 million Facebook members. Calculate the average x bar of the variable xi. Okay, x bar equal to 3.5. Calculate the average y bar of the variable yi. Okay, also here we have to use the calculator to find the numbers in 1 and 2. Determine the coordinates of g, x bar, y bar, the center of gravity of xi and yi. Here just we have to put the value of x bar instead the abscissa of g and the value of y bar instead the ordinate of g to get the center of gravity, which is called also mean point. So g will have as coordinates 3.5 and 12. In this application we have the table below, and it shows in million lira Lebanese the price of a car from year 2015 till year 2019. Also we have to calculate the mean x bar of the variable xi. Okay, start by using the calculator, following the steps carefully, and then check your answer. X bar will be 3. Calculate y bar, the mean of the variable yi. That means we have 2. Use the calculator to find the mean of yi, or we can in other words add the following numbers and divide by 5 because we have 5 modalities of yi. Okay, yes. And determine the coordinates of g, center of gravity of xi, yi. Obviously we can say that g has as coordinates 3 and 10.6.